This bread goes from raw dough to your table in minutes. It all begins with fine flour.
Pure ingredients start the process.
It all starts with pure flour.
Water and yeast are carefully added.
The mixture turns into soft dough.
The dough moves to the next stage.
The dough rises and becomes fluffy.
Now it's ready to be baked.
The bread turns golden brown.
Fresh bread comes out hot.
It cools down before packaging.
Bread is sliced evenly.
It is packed securely.
Sealed and ready for delivery.
From factory to your table.
From factory to your table.
Each bread is carefully inspected.
Only the best ones continue.
They are sorted for distribution.
Packed into boxes for delivery.
Boxes are sealed securely.
Stored before shipment.
Loaded onto delivery trucks.
That's the last one!
Traveling to stores near you.
Delivered fresh to stores.
Ready to be picked by you.
Now it's in your home.
Fresh and ready to eat.
Soft, warm, and delicious.
Enjoyed by families every day. Would you eat this fresh bread?
Would you eat this fresh bread?